Okay, this is how to make a floor plan in Sketchup. This is a small floor plan. Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle in here to make the bottom space, and we can triple click and also make group. Then we can prepare about the 2-point arc in here and also in here. Okay, then this is a simple floor plan. The width is around 6 meter in here approximately, and we can set about the carport, the width of the carport. The depth of this carport is 6 meter, and the width of the cardboard is 3 meter in here. Okay, and then we can click from this position to this behind 3 meter in here. So this is the bedroom in here. So this is the bedroom. This is a carport. Sorry, this is carport and this is a bedroom. And then we can offset it outside again around 2 meter in here, or we can just offset it outside. It's around 3 meter in here. Okay, then now we can click and type 1.5 meter in here. Okay, and then we can offset it inside 1.5 meter in here for the bathroom, and this is a 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter in here, and to the behind it's around 3 meter in here. Okay, and there is a small space on the behind around 1.5 meter in here. Okay, now we can make the rectangle. Okay, we can make the rectangle in here and also in here. So this distance is 6 meter, and there is a 6 meter also. Okay, and this is a terrace. Okay, sorry, this is a terrace. Okay, we can erase some unnecessary line, and this is a line, and also there is okay, this is a bedroom. This is the line of the bedroom in here. Okay, then this is a part of the kitchen, and this is a laundry area in here. Okay, this is the outdoor kitchen maybe. Okay, then now we can assign about the outside area, and this is inside area. Then we can select the wood. So this is outside area, and there is tile. We can set up about the tiling in here. Okay, so this is a terrace area, and okay, maybe we can make more terrace element in here, just with using this one or this one in here. Okay, and this is the laundry area in here. Okay, and we can set up about the bathroom position in here. Anyway, this is a bathroom position, or we can assign the bathroom with use this one anyway. Okay, and then now we can erase some unnecessary line. We can erase outer space over there. Okay, and then now we can make the door element in here. We can click this line, click from this position, type 900 millimeter, and also 900 millimeter, and select the 2-point arc in here, and select the 2-point arc. Okay, we can erase the plane. We can make group in here. Okay, and then okay, then we can right click and flip along with the green. We can place to this another position, and we can place to this position. Okay, then we can right click and flip along at the green. Okay, then we can type 800 and 800. Okay, then we can select move to the position in here. Okay, we can assign for the carport area in here with using this one. Okay, and then now we can make the small rectangle in here. Okay, can type a 150 millimeter. Okay, and push it up a little bit and make group. Okay, we can assign the color of the top of this. We can assign the color of top of the wall with using this one. We can choose the one of the dark color. Okay, now we can select move and place to this position and move again. On the position, we can move and place on the position in here. We can type 90 degree in here. Okay, we can place to that position and place to that position in here. Then we can move this one on the middle. Can move this one on the middle in here. Okay, and move this one on the middle also in here. Okay, we can use the push, pull, or just scale this one. Okay, we can select move, tap control, and place to the position. And place. Okay, then we can place to the position in here. Okay, we can rotate 90 degree and place to the position in here, and we can adjust and mix and match about the positioning. Okay, and place to the position in here, and we can select move, tap control, and place to the position in here. Okay, and place to the position. Okay, so this is the result of this. Okay, and then we can select this one. Okay, we can select the dimension and assign about the dimension for every single wall, every single side, I think. Okay. We can adjust it one by one, and we can select move, tap control, place, type 75. Okay, this one, and we can adjust about the presentation just like this. And now we can erase some guideline in here, and we can select window, model info, and we can uncheck this one and select a meter. Okay, maybe we can select the double this one, select dimension, select all dimension fonts, and select Arial. I think it should be a representative one. Okay, and it's done. We can set the top view. We can set up about the top view, and we can also activate about the shadow in here. Okay, and we can erase some unnecessary line over there, or we can move the car in here on the appropriate position in here to make it realistic enough. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, this is the result of the floor plan in SketchUp. So you can explore more about the 3D modeling. Okay, and this is the top view. and it should be a fine presentation of floor plan. Thank you very much.